Understanding the phrase, ear candy, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, ear candy. You might have heard this phrase in conversations or across various media and wondered what it really means. Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to dive deep into this expression and help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Ear candy is a colloquial expression used to describe music or sounds that are very pleasing and enjoyable to listen to. It's a metaphorical phrase where candy is something sweet and delightful. And in this case, it's a treat for your ears. The sounds or music referred to as ear candy are often catchy, melodic, and easy to listen to. They might not have deep or complex lyrics, but they have a pleasant sound that makes people want to keep listening. Now that we understand what ear candy means, let's look at some examples of how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The new song from the band is total ear candy. I can't stop listening to it. 2. Her voice is so sweet and soothing. It's pure ear candy. 3. I love having background music while I work. Something that's just ear candy and doesn't distract me too much. In these examples, ear candy is used to describe music or sounds that are enjoyable and make the listening experience pleasurable. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use the phrase, ear candy. This phrase is informal and is best used in casual conversations or when talking about music and sounds in a light-hearted way. It might not be suitable for formal or serious discussions, especially if you're trying to critique or analyze a piece of music in depth. And that's a wrap on today's topic, ear candy. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable for you, helping to add a sweet, melodic phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, keep listening, and until next time, happy learning.